Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your routing number on PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, sign into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Wallet. This section contains your cards, banks, and other financial details. After that, look at the top area of the wallet screen. You may need to swipe through the options in the upper menu until you find the Direct Deposit option. Tap on it when you see it. Now you will be taken to the Direct Deposit page. Here, PayPal will show your account details. This includes your routing number and your account number. These details are used if you want to receive payments like your salary directly into your PayPal account. Make sure to keep this information safe and do not share it with anyone you do not trust. And that is how you find your routing number on PayPal using the mobile app. Thanks for watching.